My wife and I have immersed ourselves in Panamanian art and culture since moving here in 2023. On my bucket list was the purchase of a set of handmade tambores, Panamanian drums, the caja, the pujador and the repicador. It wasn't good enough to just have them to display, we wanted to learn more about them, and our introduction with Omar, Christina and Panama drumming experience has set us on a rewarding journey of a lifetime. Omar tuned our new drums and then we dove right in exploring and learning the bass rhythms for which each drum is responsible, the cube, corrido y taper norte costa. They shared the fascinating history of the drum's origins in Africa, their own journey to Panama and their adoption as the beating heart of countless regions of Panama, with each indigenous people developing their own unique style and sound predicated on the three bass rhythms. For Omar and Christina, these drums are a passion. Omar can identify just from a recording what part of the country the musicians are from. The drums are used in family celebration, community celebration, tamboritos, and in festival competitions. We learned our drums were made in Parida in the Herrera province, and we got to play them for the first time in earnest with true artists who not only teach you to play your drums, but to love them. They also do group drumming experiences for tour groups, cruise excursions and larger groups who all become, for one brief moment in time at Panama drumming experiences, Panameños in their own right. Cannot recommend them more highly. A must-do cultural experience. Our group had an incredible time at the Panama drumming experience. Omar's passion, knowledge, and talent made this an unforgettable and engaging experience. He not only taught us about the rhythms and history behind the drumming but also made learning fun and interactive. We walked away with a deeper appreciation for Panamanian culture and some new drumming skills. This is a must-do if you're looking for an authentic and hands-on activity. Highly recommended for all ages, whether you're musically inclined or just want to try something new. Thank you, Omar and Chris, for a fantastic time.